When you do not have a common denominator, you have to first create that common denominator in both fractions. So I like to put my denominators and my numerators in parentheses so that when I do my multiplication, I don't get confused. My common denominator can be simply found by multiplying the two denominators together. So that would mean this first fraction will just be multiplied by a giant 1 using the second denominator. And then the second fraction will be multiplied by a giant 1 using the first denominator. Now you need to think about rewriting each fraction. So in the first fraction, I have a common denominator, or my denominator is x minus 1 times x plus 5. And then I've got 2x times x plus 5 plus, and then I've got x plus 5 times x minus 1, and then I'll do 3 times x minus 1. The next thing I'd like to do is go ahead and simplify each numerator. So I will distribute the 2x here to get 2x squared plus 10x over x minus 1 times x plus 5. And then I'll do the same thing on the second fraction here. Just distribute the 3. X minus 1 times x plus 5. And then finally, I'll go ahead and combine my fractions into a single fraction using my common denominator that I found earlier. So I will be taking my numerators, 2x squared plus 10x, and adding them to 3x minus 3. So it'll look like this. 2x squared plus 10x plus 3x minus 3. And then there's just the last step here is to just add any like terms in your numerator. So my numerator would be 2x squared, and then I can add the 10x and 3x together to get 13x minus 3, all over my common denominator of x minus 1 times x plus 5.